239-9393. Joining us from the Michaelis Corporation is Joe Polizzi. Hey, Joe, good morning.
How you doing, Pat?
Doing well. How'd the Trojans look last night, Joe?
The Trojans were explosive, and they're a good team and very dangerous. It was nice to see them bounce back after the last week Cathedral game. It was just a rough night for Southport to be walking into that stadium. They looked great.
Joe does the radio broadcast or the online broadcast with his son Ben of the Bishop Chittard football games. So,
wow. Yep. It's lots of fun. Lots of fun.
Yeah, I bet it is. So what's going on at Michaelis? Tell us a little bit about what you do for the Michaelis Corporation.
Well, I am the first leg of the relay in emergency response. And that's, to me, that's the best thing that we have going for us is that I try to get there and I try to normalize the situation and find out the needs of the family and get our waves of support in gear. After I get there and we are able to find out what's needed and develop some trust and get a feel for the family, then as I said, the waves come. James will come with his immediate needs, what we can do right now. And then Richard will step up and really estimate the situation and work with insurance and getting things done. Then the production team comes in and actually starts the rehab. So I'm the first wave, and we like to get things off on the right foot, explain our procedures and our trust building and things like that, and try to get things going.
So you did that exact thing for me once we and I obviously have a little bit of knowledge about construction, and Joe came and he was there before the fire department even left, and he just kind of talked about the process, and they kind of lead you into it's like, you're going to be out of the house for a few months. I looked like a few months.
Right. Yeah. Yeah.
So, but you're a very reassuring person, and you make it very clear of the process, because some of the things I didn't know, as far as like the textiles and the different companies that you have come in and actually will remove all your possessions from the home. So there was some things that were kind of fascinating that these companies are out there.
Well, we like to families in need. You know how that is. You're just your world has been rocked. Families in need, they want to hear as many yeses as possible, and that's what we try to do. It's easy to say no, we can't do this, we can't do that. We're going to try to. Our whole team will try to find ways to get to the yes, so that you're feeling comfortable that this is a crew that's going to take care of me, because there's so many that will do the work, but we want to really find out what the client needs and take full care of that situation.
There you go. Joe, thanks for spending a little time with us. We appreciate it. Joe Polizzi from the Michaelis Corporation. The number 844-FIX-INDY. That's 844-FIX-INDY, the Michaelis Corporation. Construct, renovate, restore.